Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric, and in today's episode we have this 2024 Cadillac Escalade Luxury Edition in our shop. We're doing full front end paint protection film, and we're going to take you along and show you exactly what we're going to do and get that all done. On a side note, can you believe that this is 130,000 bucks? I can't wrap my head around spending that kind of money for that. Let's get into it. All right, that concludes wrapping the full front end of this 2024 Cadillac Escalade. As you can see, I still have some wrapped edges and some post heating to do, but we're gonna end it right now. We'll finish off with some footage of me wrapping the edges and doing some post heating. But thanks a lot for watching. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more paint protection film content.